Honey, we are back. I said you don't move that thing, you know. Can't remove that slippers. Listen, let me tell you. This is not your father's house, and I believe that your father don't have this kind of apartment.
Sorry, sir. I'm not dating. I'm sorry.
Stupid boy. What do you want to do? Come on, stand up there. Listen, let me tell you. When I was serving your father treated me like a fowl, like a common goat. Listen, this is time for me to teach you some lessons that I learned from your father. And when I'm talking to you, you kneel down and listen to me. Come close, come. Bring your head. Even if I'm insulting you in this house, you need to tell me, thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Repeat after me.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. This house, this is my house. What kind of bag is this?
A bag with my papa gave me.
Your father can't even afford a very good bag. Look at. Are you sure there is no rat in this?
No, sir.
Open it. Before you carry all this, nothing is even inside. Close it. Shift this bag, my friend.
Sorry, sir.
Listen, my wife is another person you'll be respecting. If I hear any complaint from her, my friend, you are staining my ties. Take this. Brianisi. Yes. You need to be loyal. Now, babe, come and show him where you keep this bag. Eh? Come and show him. I'm coming. You stay like this till she comes out.
Okay, sir.
Don't ever look at my wife.
Okay, sir.
Anyhow, don't ever look my wife with this your colos eye. You know, say colos.
No, sir. I don't smoke.
The day you smoke in my house, I'll make sure you end up in Kirikiri prison. Honey, come and show him where you will. Remove your leg from my log.
Sorry, sir. Good afternoon.
He must be the new boy my husband brought.
Yes, ma'am.
And I learned that he served your father, right?
I will tell me, ma'am.
You see, now in this house,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
will suffer. You will suffer in this house. Because my husband suffered in your father's hand. In your father's care, your father treated him like trash, like he was a criminal. You see, in this house, me and you in this house, you will suffer. After everything he claimed he had, he amounts to nothing. Ordinary, what is this? What is this in God? You will suffer in this house. Me, I will deal with you. Everything your father did to my husband, you will be the one to pay for it. Nonsense. Oh, shift from that thing. Oh yeah, follow me. Let me show it to you. And hey, I'm sure my husband already mentioned the terms and conditions in this house to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Because if you sleep over time in this house, you will go back to the street where you came from. Nonsense. Follow me. What was that? Are you mad?
Sorry, ma'am.
No, are you okay?
No, ma'am.
Try that nonsense again. You've not even started and you're already misbehaving. Try me in this house. Your father lost everything, eh? This time, I will show you Pepe. Don't worry, just follow me.